Today we'll discuss a new chapter number 3, organic chemistry part, that is aldehyde and ketone. Okay, you know the number of functional group in organic chemistry, that is alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, acid, amide, okay, anhydride. All of these are functional group are present in the various organic compound. In this third semester, you will be study some introductory part of aldehyde and ketone. Okay. Then what is aldehyde and what is ketone? They are discussed about today. Okay. Here what is aldehyde and what is ketone? Okay. Aldehyde and ketone are two important class of organic chemistry. These are carbonyl compound because both compound contain carbonyl compound. Okay. In this compound, one functional group of the part is common in both. Okay. Which one of them? The carbonyl compound are common present in aldehyde as well as ketone. Okay. Which functional group are common? That is a C double bond O. The carbonyl functional group are common. Okay. In carbonyl group, carbon doubly bonded to oxygen atom. What is the construction of carbonyl compound? What is the structure of carbonyl compound? Here, carbon contain carbon oxygen contain double bond. Okay, this is a structure of carbonyl compound. Okay, just a few minutes, then I will introduce some structure of aldehyde and ketone. Okay. Here I am this is a simple carbon. Okay. This is a black marble. Suppose it contains a carbon. Okay. This is a 4 valency of carbon. Okay. This is a tetrahedral carbon. Here one white hydrogens are there, and these two bonds directly coordinated with oxygen atom. This is a carbonyl compound structure. First of all, I am drawing here tetrahedral carbon. This black marble contain, or it may be defined a tetrahedral carbon, and this red marble, it is contained or it considered as a oxygen atom. Okay, this is a common carbonyl compound are present in various functional group like aldehyde, ketone, acid, anhydride, amide. These 5 to 6 functional group contain carbonyl compound, common carbonyl compound. Here in this chapter, study only structure of, sorry, studied only aldehyde and ketone. Okay, this is a common carbonyl compound. The bond angle in between these white marble, black marble carbon, red marble oxygen, white marble hydrogen. This is a bond angle in between three atoms is 120 degree. Okay, in this side also, or in between two hydrogen and one carbon. And this is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, the hybridization of this carbon oxygen atom is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, this is a carbonyl group structure. Okay, you hear carbonyl oxygen, this is a carbonyl oxygen in this structure are common. Okay, aldehyde and ketone are isomer of each other and they are resemble closely on most of their property. Okay, they are isomer with each other and they are resemble closely on most their property. Some few properties are resemble or they are match with each other. Okay, but aldehyde are quite easily oxidized and are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition than ketone because the presence of free hydrogen atom. Okay, one more important sentence of this: aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Why? Suppose it is aldehyde. Here one side hydrogen is common, or a functional group of aldehyde is CHO, C double bond OH, and other side directly coordinated with other carbon compound. Okay, in this side, attacking of any other nucleophile, suppose this is a nucleophile, it attacking on this carbonyl carbon atom on aldehyde is favorable situation or more reactive as compared to ketone. In this ketone, because ketone contains both side of two alkyl group, it is a ketone. It is a ketone. Suppose this nucleophile attacking on this carbonyl carbon is the activity is less or situation is very poor. Okay, why? Because size of these two carbon atom are same. Suppose here one carbon replaced with one hydrogen atom. Okay, suppose this carbon is replaced with hydrogen atom. Okay, this is a hydrogen atom. Then these hydrogen atom size as compared to carbon is less. Hence, attacking of nucleophile easily as compared to ketone because due to steric clash, steric hindrance. Okay, this is a more favorable. Therefore, aldehyde are quite easily oxidized or more reactive towards nucleophilic addition than ketone because the presence of free hydrogen atom as well as steric hindrance is less due to presence of one hydrogen atom. Therefore, the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Okay, understand? This is the structure of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde contain one C double bond OH functional group common, and ketone contain both side of carbonyl compound, alkyl group. Okay, they are sterically hindered. Hence, ketone is less reactive than aldehyde. Okay, then what is aldehyde? What is the aldehyde? What is the functional group of aldehyde? And what is the physical properties of aldehyde can be discussed in this slide. Okay, what are aldehyde? Carbonyl compound in which carbonyl carbon is bonded at least one hydrogen atom. Such a compound are called as aldehyde. Carbonyl compound contain at least one hydrogen atom compulsory, or the carbonyl compound in which carbonyl carbon is bonded at least one hydrogen atom. Such a compound is called as aldehyde. First of all, I am saying aldehyde, one hydrogen common on one side and other is enalkyl group is known as aldehyde. Okay, then another definition of aldehyde, the first oxidation product of primary alcohol is called as aldehyde. You know alcohol, the functional group of alcohol is ROH. Okay, here you see in this reaction, this is the primary alcohol. Name of this ethyl alcohol, which on oxidize in presence of K2Cr2O7, MnO2, potassium dichromate, then OSO4. Number of oxidizing reagents are available for oxidation of primary alcohol. Then this primary alcohol, which on oxidize or which on oxidation in the presence of various oxidizing agent to gives a aldehyde. Therefore, the statement said it is the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. When you take any primary alcohol which on further oxidize to gives a aldehyde. Therefore, this statement says the first oxidation product of primary alcohol is known as aldehyde. Okay, they have general formula CnH2nO. Okay, where N is the number of carbon atom. Then the functional group of aldehyde is here H common, C double bond O, and here any alkyl group noted as R or R dash, or bond CHO denoted as aldehyde functional group. Okay, this is a aldehyde functional group, or what is a aldehyde and how they are formed. Okay. Then example of aldehyde. The first aldehyde or single carbon aldehyde named as formaldehyde. Okay. Then 2 carbon aldehyde, acetaldehyde, 3 carbon propanaldehyde, and number of side branches aldehydes are available. Okay. Then Third is aromatic aldehyde known as benzaldehyde. Okay. In formaldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to which two hydrogen atom known as formaldehyde. Suppose this is aldehyde. This is directly coordinated with two hydrogen atom. This carbonyl group directly coordinated with two hydrogen atom. It contains one carbon, one oxygen, and two hydrogen, denoted as H2CO or HCHO. This is a structure of formaldehyde. Okay. In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to the one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group, except formaldehyde. Okay. In other aldehyde, this one hydrogen atom is replaced with any alkyl or aryl group, denoted as aliphatic aldehyde or aromatic aldehyde. Okay, it may be saturated or it may be unsaturated. This is a structure of aldehyde: formaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde, and aliphatic aldehyde. In aliphatic or aromatic aldehyde, one hydrogen of formaldehyde replaced with alkyl or aryl group or phenyl ring is known as alkyl or aryl group. Okay, this is a introductions of aldehyde. What is aldehyde? It is a primary oxid. It is a product of primary oxidation of primary alcohol. Then example of aldehyde. This is discussed about in this today's lecture. Then next, what is ketone? First of all, I'm saying here, in both aldehyde and ketone, it's common in carbonyl group. Okay, the carbonyl compound in which carbonyl carbon is bonded with two alkyl or aryl groups, such a compound are known as ketone. These carbonyl compound directly bonded with two alkyl or aryl group is known as ketone. Aldehyde contain one hydrogen compulsory, but ketone contain two alkyl or aryl group compulsory. You see in this structure or in this model, the red is oxygen. In these three black marble are known as carbon. It is the carbonyl carbon, and these two are alkyl or any aryl group. Okay. Then next definition of ketone is, it is the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol is called as ketone. Okay. Here you take any secondary alcohol. I am taking here isopropyl alcohol, which on oxidation for various oxidizing agent to give a ketone. Here you see this ketone contain two methyl group, or this acetone contain two methyl group directly bonded with carbonyl compound or carbonyl carbon is known as ketone. It is three carbon ketone. It is known as acetone. Okay, common name as a acetone. The general formula of ketone is CnH2nO, where ion is a number of carbon atom. The functional group of ketone is here. This is this bond contain any alkyl group, or this bond contain again same or different alkyl group denoted as R dash, and this C double bond O are common functional group is denoted as any alkyl or aryl group. directly attach with any alkyl or aryl group, or to bond directly coordinate with CO. It is a functional group of ketone. Okay, this is a ketone. Example of this ketone is CH3COCH3. Its common name as acetone, or is another name is common name is dimethyl ketone. Then CH3 C double bond O C2H5, name as ethyl methyl ketone. Then acetophenone C6H5COCH3. It is known as acetophenone. These two, this carbonyl compound directly coordinated with one methyl group and one aromatic or aryl group. Hence is denoted as or named as acetophenone. Phenone means phenyl. ONE contain C double bond O group. Okay, it is acetophenone. It is a common name of this example. Okay, in ketone, carbonyl carbon bonded to alkyl or aryl group, or one alkyl or one alkyl aryl group. Any groups are directly attached with alkyl or aryl group. On the basis of different alkyl or aryl group attached to carbonyl carbon are classified as symmetrical and unsymmetrical ketone. This part we will discuss in tomorrow lecture. Okay, after few minutes, this Zoom meeting is automatically in. Don't log in again this meeting. Okay, thank you.